we've created part 1 of our Tello camera flow, and that sends commands to the drone. But now we need to create part 2, which will receive messages from the Tello. Let's drag in a comment node and note that. Now, for this section, you'll need a UDP in node, a function node, 2 more function nodes, two debug nodes, a change node, and 2 link out nodes. The UDP in node should listen for UDP messages on port 8889 using IPv4 protocol and output a buffer. The function node will parse these messages, delete any text currently in the function field, and paste this function, available on the website or down below. Leave the outputs as 1. Then, oops, we forgot a node. We're going to need a switch node right here. We'll need 8 fields. The first should be equals to number 86. The next equal to number 26. Next equal to number 50. And the next equal to number 4176. And scroll down. Next equal to number 98. 99. 48. And the last one should be otherwise. Click done. And then we want to connect this top function node to the 5th output corresponding to 98, the next to the 6th corresponding to 99, and then our 2 debug nodes on the end. This first function will be processing the file size. Paste this function, 1 output, click done. This one will be processing the file data, delete, and we will need 2 outputs. We have the first debug node, which we will need as a complete message object, and name it do take pick. The second will be also a complete message object, and name it otherwise. Then we have this change node, which will be acknowledge message, so that the Tello knows we've received the message and it won't continually resend it. Set message payload to JSON and paste this. Now we need to configure our link nodes. This one is going to acknowledge this message and input it over here to be sent back to the drone. So we'll need a link in node. Let's name it in from part 2. Click done. and connect it up here. Now, this node should correspond to it, and we'll name it acknowledge message. This node will be sending the file data or our picture into the next flow. So we'll name it send picture. Now let's link up our nodes. So we have completed the second part of the flow, which receives messages from the drone. The first part sent messages, and the next part will be to decode those messages and send them to a dashboard or save them to your Pi. Remember to click the